Kage, is that where you want to go?
No, I don't want to go anywhere. I don't know why that question was asked. Like, I've talked about it. Have I talked about it?
Come to Tokyo with me, dude.
Yeah, you guys can get a kitchen.
My house blank.
That sounds like
Hang out
something.
in
Let's go to the chiropractor.
Dude, wait, my roommate hasn't been home in days!
You now own a
Cheers
home by
to it.
yourself.
5,
Fuck.
4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1.
Green.
3, 2, 1.
Circles.
Can't
Don't
see
need
overwhelm
help.
myself.
Spread.
Get these out.
3, 2, 1.
That was up both sides of that wall.
Yellow needs help.
3,
Leave me alone, I'm good.
2, 1.
2, 1.
I'm on my way to Mealy to help. I got Diamond here.
Thank you.
No, we're good.
3, 2, 1.
Sponge coming.
Spread.
3, 2, 1.
2,
Debuffs coming.
1.
Skull.
Come on, Diamond.
3,
I literally was in there trying to soak that diamond. I don't know
Same,
what the
dude.
fuck you were doing.
You had to stop casting as soon as that started.
That was a little problem.
Someone's up.
Get him up. There's no point in holding on to the res here.
Coming into melee orange. Need help immediately.
Hi.
Help purple. Off of me, help purple, now.
3, 2, 1.
2, 1.
Did we get the res out on him? Yes.
Spread.
He died instantly.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Who needs help melee?
Help him out. Purple as well.
3, 2, 1.
2, 1.
Debuffs.
They're all in. Actually, champ, can you get out? As soon as you can.
I'm in orange.
3, 2, 1.
Sponge coming.
3, 2, 1.
2, 1.
Debuffs.
We can take one in melee if someone wants to come in.
Green.
Someone needs to.
I'm going in.
Can't, I got laser.
Get ready to run right back out. Get ready to run right back out.
Ball.
3, 2, 1.
2, 1.
Debuffs.
Three, 2, 1.
I didn't have room to move.
Tom.
Orange. Debuffs coming.
3, 2, 1.
2, 1. Spread.
Help purple as soon as you can.
2, Tom. 1. Tom.
3, 2, 1.
2, 1.
Debuffs. Help purple.
Cooldown on everything.
Called
soak.
Sponge out.
50 seconds.
Tom.
3, 2, 1.
Debuff soon.
2, Tom. 1.
Y'all help the range and if you're not somebody else.
Help triangle, help triangle.
Back for consume.
Three, two, one.
Debuffs. Get Kage.
3, 2,
Help yellow.
No, yeah,
Buff
I'm in a
poison.
pause.
taunt.
3, 2, 1.
2,
Star's gonna need help.
Debuffs.
spread.
Green needs help.
2, taunt.
Second pause.
You got
Yellow needs a little help here until the end.
3,
Where's the sec JT?
1.
Bam!
Thank you, Vix.
Man, you think him not the guy that came up to range for you?
I didn't even see.
3, 2,
focus.
Help green.
taunt. Spread.
3,
Taunt.
2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
New debuffs. Purple needs help.
I'm standing still with this laser on star.
Consume coming. Get ready to go back to skull. If anyone's able to clear that stuff, actually fuck it.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2,
New
1.
debuffs.
Just kill the boss.
Pull man.
Nice full magic, y'all. Good job.
Yo, why was when I
What?
res, consume was ticking for 15k?
Because you sat there holding a drained soul until you were in the middle of the consume and then tried to run out the first time?
That's not what I'm talking about, brother.
The
I
damage
said
is
what I'm talking
proximal.
about.
If
after I was
you get
res.
res near the edge, then it'll hit you really hard.
No, that. What?
How many kills is it gonna take for us to
I
get a
think
weapon?
you got res as a desolate hit. You accepted and then died.
No, I was taking consume ticks for 15k after I was res.
No.
No, after you were
No,
res,
that's
you got killed by
desolate.
desolate.
Blank, that's
what it
desolate.
says.
Your first
Desolate
death
14K.
was consume related.
No, his second death, what happened?
It's literally in the logs. It's saying he was getting ticked for 4.5k. By the end, his last Miasma ticked for 4.9k. But he got hit by a 15k desolate before that.
What's up,
4.9K
Envy?
tick.
Yeah, Shep, 3G.